When it comes to all-in-one CRM solutions, Salesflare versus Flowlu CRM is a common question, and if you're trying to figure out which one is better for your business needs, stay tuned, because I'm going to break it down in a way that will help you decide which CRM is the right fit. But by the end, I'll also be showing you a better alternative that I think you'll love, so stick around. First, let's talk about Salesflare. This CRM is designed to be super user-friendly, especially for small businesses. Its main draw is automation. It can automate a lot of manual data entry, and it integrates seamlessly with your email, calendar, and social media accounts. It's all about reducing the amount of work you need to do to keep track of leads and sales. However, while the automation features are strong, some users report that it lacks depth when it comes to more advanced features like project management or customer support. Next thing, let's look at Flowlu CRM. It also offers a wide range of features, but where it really shines is in its project management capabilities. If you're looking for a CRM that helps you manage not just your leads and sales, but also your ongoing projects, then Flowlu might be a better choice. It allows for task tracking, budgeting, and even time tracking, all within the same platform. However, while it's great for those managing projects alongside sales, some users find its interface a bit overwhelming, and it takes a bit longer to get the hang of. Now, here's the kicker. While both Salesflare and Flowlu have their merits, they can feel a little fragmented when compared to a true all-in-one solution. You might end up juggling between tools or paying for multiple platforms to get everything you need. Plus, neither offers the same level of customization as other competitors on the market. Next thing to keep in mind is the pricing. Salesflare offers a few tiers, but it can get pretty pricey for small businesses, especially when you want to scale up. It's nice that it's a simple pricing structure, but you may find yourself wishing for more flexibility as you grow. Flowlu, on the other hand, is more affordable, and it offers a free plan with some nice features. But once you need the full suite of tools, the paid plans can also add up quickly. Another thing to consider is customer support. Salesflare has a solid reputation for support, but some users complain that the response times can be slow, especially for the lower tier plans. Flowlu, while offering decent support, doesn't always deliver the personalized help that you might need when you're just getting started with a new system. And finally, let's talk about the competition. While Salesflare and Flowlu CRM are both solid, I believe there's a better all-in-one solution for managing your CRM needs. After trying both of them, I recommend checking out the alternative I'll mention in the link below. This option gives you everything Salesflare and Flowlu offer, but with more features, better integration, and a much more streamlined user experience. In conclusion, Salesflare and Flowlu are great CRMs depending on your business size and needs, but if you're looking for something that checks all the boxes and does everything seamlessly, I suggest you try out the free trial of the CRM I've linked below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out, because this could be the game changer you've been looking for.